flow state. I never knew there was a word for such an incredible feeling. I'm fortunate to have done art at school, and that's the first time I've ever experienced the feeling. And I was very fortunate and privileged to experience this with my mom. And then also seeing my dad busy painting in his study, just going into this beautiful zone. This is something that I've taken through me studying fine arts and then eventually into my career as well. These days, one of the most amazing feelings is to see that my young students actually start to experience this as part of their workflow. It's amazing to have this discussion with them and to realize this is something that they're starting to explore and that it is a very important part of what we do. I'm Jorina. I'm a photography lecturer here at the Open Window. At the moment, I'm standing in one of my favorite spaces to create. We would like to invite you to come and join us for some workshops in preparation of In the Now exhibition a little bit later the year. And great, we'd love to see you there.